Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. In honor of April Fool's Day, I got a good prank for you to pull on your loved one, and we're gonna pull it on my husband here today. You know the drill, he just left for the gym, so this is where when the cat's away, the mouse will play. This is cruel, but so flipping hilarious. So you're just gonna need a chicken bouillon cube, and what you're going to do is you're gonna go to your shower. This is a really super easy twist off one. I will need two hands, but let me show you. Now, word of caution, when you twist it off or take it off, whatever one that you have, some water is likely gonna come out of that. So just step out of the way unless you wanna get an extra shower. So you can see inside of here, autofocus, there we go, then we got a nice filter. It looks like it needs to get cleaned. Huh? We got a cleaning hack all in one. What is up in there? Oh, that's nasty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let me rinse this out. If you have concerns about what I'm about to show you, just know that you can clean it out. At least you can with this particular Delta one right here. By the way, I have a ton of cleaning hacks about how to clean these really well. You can see here that the chicken bouillon cube is quite large. So I got a knife here. I'm just going to cut it in half, and I'm going to stick one on each side. Can you smell that? It's very pungent. Can you imagine what's going to happen when hot water runs through it? Yes, so no fears about this dissolving, especially if you're using hot water. And again, if you have concerns, you can take this off, but watch. There we go, right in there, just press it down, very moldable. Now I'm gonna go ahead and twist it back up on the shower. Twist that right on. Voila, now we wait. Okay, it's time. I'm gonna hide you right here in this little shelf.
AJ, there's no towels.
Yeah.
Can you get one?
Yeah, I can grab some. Hey, I got your towels. Fresh out of the laundry. There you go, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know why it smells in here?
Like what?
Something stinks. Like chicken.
What? It
It
stinks
didn't
like...
smell like chicken before.
It smells like chicken?
You do one of those hacks again?
Cleaning hacks?
You messed with this thing, didn't you?
No, I didn't. You're hallucinating.
It's getting worse. You can't take a shower in this. Honey? What'd you do to the shower? It smells like I'm basting myself with chicken. like chicken broth. God, this stinks. I can't take a shower. Honey!
Yes. All right, my friend, if you love a good cleaning and life hack in this April Fool's series, give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now to keep the fun going, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.